Hey, it's Mike with AutoAnything.com. Today I'm going to show you how to visually inspect your brake pads so you know when it's time to change them. Here we have a new brake pad and a used brake pad. You can see on the right here we have a used pad with the pad backing and the pad friction material. Now the friction material is very close to 2 millimeters worth of thickness, which means this pad is worn out and in need of replacement. If you take a look at the new brake pad, you can see how much thicker this pad is and how it has a long life expectancy. This pad will last a very long time. So where I'm going to start is in front of the brake caliper because I want to be able to look into it so I can see the brake pad. Since we're trying to determine the thickness of it, we need to make sure that this brake pad has at least 2 millimeters worth of material. So we can take a look from the front and take a look at the pad from right here. So when we started our inspection, we could see the outside brake pad, but it is also important to take a look at the inside brake pad. You want to make sure that they're wearing evenly. Now we've already removed the wheel. Next up is we're going to take this caliper off so we can get a better look at the inside brake pad. So I've already removed the bottom caliper bolt, and what we're going to do is take off the top caliper bolt so we can remove the caliper and gain access to that inside brake pad. Move the caliper out of the way. We can already see that this inner brake pad is very low and definitely in need of a replacement. Now that you have the caliper off, it's an excellent opportunity to inspect the seals, as well as the caliper piston seal and the brake pins. Now we can see here on this caliper piston seal that it is actually torn. This would be in need of replacement before we put the brakes back together. For the caliper pins, you can see here that they're well lubricated and the seals are in good shape. You want to make sure that these aren't cracked or damaged, and if this pin were dry, we'd want to pack it full of grease before reassembly. So there you have it. Now you know how to inspect your brake pads. If you have any other questions or if you need a new set of brake pads, please call or chat with us at AutoAnything.com.